how to adjust the screen size on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you're sharing your screen from your Nintendo Switch over to your television and either there's black borders around the edges or it's just not fitting to the screen correctly, well, in this video I'm going to show you how we can change the screen size and make sure it fits to our television. So the first thing we need to do is just head over to the home screen on your Nintendo Switch. In the bottom navigation, you can come down to System Settings and click on this. From the left-hand side, scroll down and select Display. And then we're going to come down to TV Resolution and click on this. Now, this should typically be set to automatic, but if you are experiencing screen size issues on your television, you can try changing this to 1080p. And if that doesn't work, you can just keep going through the options here to find a resolution that works for you. Now, the next thing you can do is scroll down to adjust screen size and click on this. And now what you can do is either increase or decrease the zoom percentage. So if you see black borders around the edges, then you probably want to increase the zoom to get rid of these black borders. Obviously, if the screen's already too zoomed in, then you can try zooming out to go and fix your issue. So that's how you change the screen size on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you with the next one.